What's going on? This is a update on the plants. We got Mr. Celery right here. Just rained. Put him in a bigger pot, and he's going crazy. All right, that's that. And all the other ones are also doing a good job. Move these lights out of the way real quick. Here's the pea. Reaching out with those vines. Soon he will be outside with the rest of them. These are the peppers. Finally all taken off. We got the tomatoes too. And I selected, which ones I thought were the best to continue. Didn't want too many of each, but yeah, those are doing good. Growing up nicely. Had them by the window as much as I could. Now the warmer weather has rolled in, no more snow days or anything like that. And I got some pumpkins going right here. I put some pumpkin seeds in there, some big ones. We'll see how big. I'm gonna try to give the roots as much space as I can. But yeah, these are gonna be giant if I can, take care of them the right way and everything like that. But yeah, that's all for now. And just a quick video, but we'll see you guys next time, and when they're bigger than they are right now. All right, peace.